Hard-pressed Zimbabweans have rallied behind war veteran Blessed Geza, declaring that Geza's wave is unstoppable as he intensifies his challenge against President Emerson Mnangagwa leadership. Sanabida mashoko mdanyi kwa chinsi aiwa Geza chamisike panguva ino zvaendwezvi ndinobva subscribe like on the bell icon timbira muzimu yaudanyara chiti Geza, who has been an outspoken critic of the current government, has called on Mnangagwa to resign immediately, citing his government's failure to improve the country's economic situation. In a bold statement last week, Geza called for a mass anti-Mnangagwa protest scheduled for March 31, 2025. Geza's growing influence and his public call for action has resonated with many Zimbabweans who are dissatisfied with the government's economic policies and the handling of national issues. Speaking on his plans for the upcoming protest, Geza family stated, President Mnangagwa has failed, and the time for change is now. I am calling on all Zimbabweans to join us in demanding accountability. The economic hardships are too much to bear, and we will no longer stay silent. As Geza's call for protest gains momentum, ZANU-PF has moved to downplay the significance of the protest. ATAURA Kandishaya, a ZANU-PF Youth League official, attempted to deflect the threat posed by Geza's planned demonstrations. Geza will be marching online Zoom demo, saka iwewe washinga here uyapa nyama wadi wangu itawo Zoom demo na ishamwari. He quipped, dismissing the protest as an online event that would not have a real-world impact. However, Kandisha's dismissal has not stopped the growing wave of support for Geza's cause. Many Zimbabweans, particularly those suffering under the current economic conditions, have pledged their support. Taura Gary, a local activist, declared, Tosankana mastis, iwe ED must go newe wacho, meaning they will take to the streets to demand Mnangagwa's resignation. Geza's call for protest is shaping up to be a significant moment in Zimbabwe's political landscape, with the mounting frustration among the populace against the government's inability to address the country's economic woes. Now people they are now watching the space. To them mafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Penda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.